Hello everybody! Thank you for joining me for today's app review. Today on the review, Android app that is called AppRedeem. This app promises to basically pay you when you check out new applications that they have here on this list. You see, you can download free applications and there is also paid applications. You decide. Now, if you can see, I hope you can see the blue points on the side. These are the points that you will receive after you download each of these applications. And don't worry, if you don't like the application, you can uninstall it straight away. You will still receive the points that is mentioned here on the right. Now you see I have on the side here 25 points. I hope you can see these 25 points here. Is it clear enough? Yes, I hope so. Well, after you've got some points, the minimum requirement of course is 25 points. You can press on this tab here. It says redeem, and you can choose from this list. You can either take it in PayPal, or you can take an Amazon gift card, or some other stuff that I don't really know. Anyways, today I'm gonna prove once and for all, because we had quite a lot of debate on the internet if this application is a scam or not. If it does indeed pay you, or does it just, well, fool you into downloading useless applications that you don't really need. Anyhow, I will now enter my PayPal account. Wait, I need a mouse. And I will redeem my 25 points. And you will see them enter my PayPal account. And that will disprove any and all suspicion about this app being a scam. Alrighty. Oh, so bright. Alrighty. This is a relatively new PayPal account. I only recently opened it, and the only thing here is actually payments from this application, AppRedeem, you see. Not very much, but it still adds up to like $5. Now, I will show you how it is done, and this is not a scam. I will now press on PayPal. Yes, I will press on redeem. Yes, please. Now it will verify my PayPal account. Please, if you are doing this, do this with a verified PayPal account or it will not work. Anyhow, let it verify for a second. Remember, I have 5.28 US dollars. Indeed. Verify, please. Please. Oh, by the way, if we're already waiting, you can get points by either downloading applications, playing around a bit and then uninstalling them, or you can use a bonus code. The bonus code is only available for new users to the application. The bonus code I used was onthehouse. Yes, onthehouse. You will see where you can enter a bonus code and you will receive a few points for free, just to get you started. Alrighty. Look at the PayPal account. 5.28 US dollars. The last payment was 0.25 on the 26th of November. Today. I will now press yes. And the entire process is very, very fast. You see the 25 points in the end there? Now it's 0. And I will press OK now. Great! Now, let's look at PayPal. Look at my balance here. I will now refresh the page. The page is refreshing. And look at this. What is this? 5.53 US dollars now. Alrighty. That's nice. The list, of course, hasn't updated yet because PayPal is just a bit slow with these things. But we do have a little triangle here now that says this list does not include your most recent account activity yet. Alright, we'll wait a bit. In the meantime, I'll show you where to input the bonus code. You will go to Apps, and it's refreshing. Do it faster, please. Alrighty. Now, I had an option to input my bonus code right here between invite friends and papaya farm, but since I already used it up and it's a one-time thing, it's not available anymore, but you'll have it right here in between these two. Alrighty, cool beans. Now, let's refresh PayPal again. Oh, here we go. Now we got a brand new payment that just arrived. Excellent. So I hope this proves to everyone that this is not a scam. This application works. It does what it says it does. The only thing I am a bit crossed about is the fact that not every application here redirects to the market like it's supposed to. For example, let's take a look out. I'm pressing on Get App, okay, and it now wants me to open a browser instead of the market. That hasn't happened in other apps, but it does happen in a few apps. Oh well, take that into consideration. But still, they do refresh the apps every now and then, so you can continue making money with it. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Remember, you have the bonus code in the description of this video. Thank you.